Good day, I'm Dr. Martin Potter, one of the founders of HelpMeWithMyTeeth.com. I'm here to introduce you to a brand new modality of dental consultation and dental treatment on an online basis. So let's be honest, the early part of 2020 has been an absolute bombshell to not only dentistry but to long-term care, geriatric care in all of the world. We need to make revolutionary changes in order to move forward and get past the incredible, disastrous situations that we've been faced with. We can only imagine the stress that many of the families and the residents at our seniors facilities must be facing right now, and even stepping out the door into a world that's facing a pandemic. We need to do better, and we can do better. We believe this is a very unique time and a very unique opportunity for the administrators of long-term care homes to offer better quality dental service at a lower cost and in a safer, more virus-free environment. We believe that a lot of the way moving forward is from these very simple devices here. These are intraoral cameras, so they're analogous to a web camera, although they're designed for intraoral use. Take pictures, high quality dental images inside the mouth. We can very easily train staff on how to achieve quality dental images such as these that can very quickly and efficiently be uploaded to us here at HelpMeWithMyTeeth.com. For many of the situations that are discovered through online dental consultations, palliative care only will be required, and many visits to the dentist can be avoided efficiently and ethically, saving the patient all sorts of risk and expense and stress. We believe this will also be a big advantage to not only the families of the residents there, but also to the staff and the administrators at these facilities, knowing that the residents are really getting much better quality care at a much reduced cost. What we are offering at this time is an ability to train the staff how to use the intraoral cameras and to offer a network to be able to upload those images and get quality dental advice from licensed dentists very quickly and very effectively in order to make better decisions in what to do with the residents at these facilities. We in no way want to interrupt the care that the residents are getting from their dentist that they've maybe had an established relationship for a long time. We actually want to aid that relationship and encourage the residents to get the care that they need. So we hope this really encourages you and gives you hope moving forward that not only do we need to do better for our residents, but we actually can do, and the technology is available right now. Feel free to contact us. And let's get started in talking about how we can offer this to the residents that you're providing care for. I'm Dr. Martin Potter signing off. Hope to talk to you soon. Have a great day.